How's it going? Blessings and beautiful love to you, wonderful souls. Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. I am blessed just as you are blessed. And thank you for being here. Thank you for having the eyeballs to watch you and the brain to absorb this knowledge and this information. I really just appreciate it and very much thank you. Thanks for my community growth. Thank you for my energy. I am so grateful for all of this. Thank you for the thumbs up always on the video. I really appreciate that when the community does that. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we are here. We're pushing out good content in the crypto space, and we know that YouTube tries to suppress crypto content, unfortunately, but that is what it is, guys. So let's not get stuck on that drama. You guys know if you want to trade any crypto, well, not any, but a lot of cryptos, you can use my Bybit link down below, and you can get up to a $30,000 deposit bonus using that link, and you could trade anything from $10 right up to whatever you want, guys. So don't even hesitate to do that, but also learn how to do trading. And if you guys want to learn how to do some really cool trading and look at, how to look at the chart and perhaps how to follow trading and trends and use the different tools that TradingView gives you and that I use on TradingView as well, then let me know down in the comments below. I would really love that, because actually I think that's very important for people to understand how to use those trading tools so that they can make money. And all you're doing is buying low, selling high, and selling high, buying low. That's the kind of scenario. So take profit, etc. So if you guys want that, let me know down below in the comments, because then what I'll do is I'll arrange a session for us that will be a live session that we can go over looking at some of the trading charts and just look at how to use the tools, because that's important to know how to do trading, and essentially that's going to be very helpful to you guys. So today I have an extraordinarily this was one of the first cryptos I invested in. It's definitely in my top 10 favorites. It used to be in my top 3, but it kind of bumped up to maybe 6 or 7 just after Veracity. But nonetheless, this is still honestly one of my favorite projects. I have spoken about it a few times before, and it is an absolutely phenomenal project. I do love it, and I think there's way long runway for us in this space. This project is based on making passive income. So instead of investing in rental properties, a physical rental property where you actually have to buy the entire property and find the money and the capital to put down the deposit, buy the property, etc., and manage it and all of that kind of stuff, where this project can do that for you digitally, and it basically pulls all your money together, and it shows us that it shows us how to make passive income, and the income passively is anywhere between 27 and 57%. So I'm sure you would want those kinds of returns, because if you bought a house, you wouldn't make 57% return annually on that property. You maybe make like between 3 and 6% at the most. So if you guys want to make good passive gains with this coin, not only is it going to give us passive gains, long-term gains like rewards over time, and the coin increases, just like my video on Veracity. It's exactly the same concept, but this coin has very, very powerful energy and momentum. It's pretty much down at its all-time lows. So for me, guys, this is a coin that you really want to consider looking at, especially if it's a high-risk coin. Obviously none of this is financial advice. I'm just sharing with you and showing you what I've done. I've locked up my stash inside the staking pool to earn 27% passive income rewards. So that's just for the coin. Otherwise, if you want to invest in property, it's a dual asset where you invest in the native token plus the stable coin, and then it's a dual asset where you earn 57%. So, that's also great. I don't do that just I need to learn more about that kind of stuff. But for now, I want to show you the coin. So let's get onto it, guys. None other than Landshare. So excited, guys. Landshare is absolutely beautiful and amazing, and I'm so in love with Landshare. It's ranked 2,651 on the on CoinGecko, so it's way down here on the ranking, and most people don't even look at numbers down this far. Its name is Landshare. Its ticker is Land. It's sitting at 65 cents. It's down 2.2% for the day, and we are sitting currently on 27,000 people's watch lists. The market cap has shrunk very significantly from about 3.5, 5 million, somewhere around that, if I recall, down to this measly 300,000. Now, I want to show you. Okay, don't worry about that. But its trading volume is about $27,000. That's not a lot of money, but its fully diluted valuation is at $6.4 million. Now, it's got a total value locked of about 1.1 million. So that's saying something to you guys. I'm going to show you a little bit of that now in a moment. But the maximum supply is half of what Bitcoin is, okay, 10 million. Its total supply is 4 million, okay, and its circulating supply is only 507,000. So that's saying something to us. Like, yes, those numbers are quite vast from each other, and I've spoken about that deviation before, but at the end of the day, this is a very little amount of tokens, and it's at a very cheap price right now and a very, very low market cap. You can see it pumped up. Its all-time high, we're down 94.66% from, and we are down 12.19 from the all-time high at 12.19, and the all-time low was at 44 cents. So you can see we're a little bit above that right now. So let's go and have a quick squiz at what Landshare actually is. So Landshare is bringing real estate to the blockchain. So you can see it's massive. It's got a white paper. It's being audited. There's docs, answers, FAQs, blogs, flips, properties, about, etc. So invest in tokenized real estate assets directly on the Binance Smart Chain for as little as $50. Okay, this has been seen on Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, and Binance, guys. If Binance is supporting this project, that means it's a really good project. So real estate meets decentralized finance. Landshare turns real world properties into asset-backed, yield-bearing, and fully tradable asset tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. Invest in real estate for as little as $50 and benefit from property appreciation and monthly rental income sent directly to your wallet each month. So you can browse the properties, you can make your investment, you can relax and earn rental income, guys. You got utilities and tokenomics. So it's governance. Stake your Landshare tokens, earn voting power in the Landshare governance protocol. You can stake. There's payments. There's a loan protocol. It's also burning Landshare. There's an NFT ecosystem. And the governance. Okay, let's go. Those are the utilities. Okay, so all land platform fees are burned and removed from the overall supply of the Landshare token. There you go, guys. So not only is it burning, but this is crazy short. So circulating supply is 3.8111 million. So that's actually much more than what the CoinGecko says. So I'm going to go with this. It's probably a little bit more accurate. So it's got a 10 million supply, and its market cap is currently sitting at 2.477 million. So I'll change that in the numbers for us now. But yeah, elevate your real estate investment with Landshare. And a real estate investment of $10,000 in 1990 would be worth over $36,600 today. By utilizing Landshare's auto compounding technology, that same investment would be worth $301,000. Now, I'm pretty sure that you guys would love to get that. So you got auto compounding, you got real estate NFTs, asset loans. Like real estate NFTs, where like whatever you can put it's like the Sims almost, where you put a chair in there and you can sell the chair and you can sell different parts of the properties. So these are the current properties that they have. You can see the annual returns, the cap rate return. And this is crazy stuff, guys. I mean, this is definitely going to be a way for people to invest their money now and looking forward into the future. So yeah, don't hesitate on any of this right now, because right now this is big passive income for you guys at the end of the day. So yeah, let's go and have a quick squiz at the chart. The chart, I always draw the Fibonacci. There's a buy signal down here. You can see that it's looking to push up. The 618 is all the way almost at the top here at the $5.60 price. So I do believe it's going to go minimum to that point. From where we are to the all-time highs, back up at, it says 9, but it was 12.90. But that's a 1x ratio. So I'd like to pull this up to the 12.90 level then, so that we get this accurate, because that's what the price was. So you can see the 618 is actually almost all the way back up at the all-time high. Now, if we draw the Fibonacci, what is the potential of this coin to go up to in the future? Well, to get to the top of the Fibonacci in the next potential bull cycle, 4.2 gain factor on your money would take us to, from the all-time high, would take us to a $54 price on this coin. Now, could it reach that? Yes, it could. Now, I'm going to do something for you guys. So what I want to give you guys some perspective on here is that the entire property market is probably worth about $80 to $100 trillion in market cap value. Now, if people were to bring that market cap value into the crypto space, you better make sure that you're invested in Landshare, because Landshare is going to be one of those tokens that is already way ahead of the curve in terms of how technology earning passive income rewards are for as little as $50, right? So the current market cap is $2.47 million. The price is 65 cents. If you took $10,000, you get about 15,000 coins, 15,300 coins. Its all-time high was 12.19, which is an 18.75x from where we are today. That's amazing. My personal accumulation goal would be 10,000 of these coins. It will cost me about $6,500 to accumulate over time. If we got ourselves from a $2.47 million market cap, let's just say this got to $1 billion market cap, okay? That would give us a $262 price on this coin, and that would be a 403x gain on your coin, and that would convert $10,000 into about $4 million, okay? $10,000 into $4 million. Did you hear me? Okay, because this is one of the biggest coins that there is in crypto, and I don't think anybody actually realizes the potential of this coin. So, I'm saying trillions in the market cap. I'm not even talking about this trillion here. $1 trillion market cap on this. I don't know if it could ever reach that, but could it ever reach $100 billion market cap and beyond? $100 billion market cap, I'm pretty confident it can eventually reach that at one point into the future. That would give us a $26,241 price on this coin. That would be a 40,371x gain on your money. You would convert $10,000 into $403 million, guys. That is enormous. Absolutely enormous. So what would you need to make $1 million when it hits a $100 billion market cap? Well, you would need to spend $24.7, okay, and get 38 coins. Go and stake them so you can make a little bit more. But guys, that would be the target. So, if it ever reached a $1 trillion market cap, that coin would be 262,000, be 403x gains on your money, and you would literally become a billionaire from 10,000 investment. And that's why the crypto space is what it is, and there is huge potential in the space. Of course, these coins are risky, but this is mad to think about not investing in projects like this that have